Dino Snores at the Natural History Museum. Remember that amazing film, Night at the Museum? Did you know that you can spend the night at museums in real life? Well, you can. And I was at the Natural History Museum in London just last night. It was my birthday present, and my mum and dad took my cousin and me there. We arrived at the museum as it closed. There were lots of other children there, and the woman in charge took us to one of the main galleries. We got out our sleeping bags and set up camp, right under a stegosaurus. Then we got out our torches, and the woman took us on a guided tour of the dark museum. It was quite scary. After, we made T-Rex t-shirts, and then a museum scientist gave us an informative talk. At midnight, it was time to sleep, but that wasn't easy because we were so excited. In the morning, we had breakfast at the museum. Then my uncle came to take us home. None of the dinosaurs came to life, but my night at the museum was an unforgettable experience.